everyone, welcome to Vlogtember day 21. And right now I just finished getting dressed and I'm headed to a waist beads class. I'm about to learn how to make some waist beads or whatever, you know. Whoa, was that a dimple? hold on. I ain't seen one of them since I was a kid. So nah, but yeah, I'm about to head to my waist beads class. It's actually at the same place I do my internship at, so yeah, about to head there, you know, just a little fit, not too much, you know, because it's the beginning of the fall and I gotta order some fall clothes because I ain't got too many long sleeves and the stuff that I do have is like thick, so it's kind of too thick for 60-degree weather. So yeah, but I'm gonna catch you when I arrive. Y'all, so the exit that I needed to take was like flooded, so I had to like, you know,
turn left onto Bank Street.
Okay,
then arrive at your destination.
Okay. So, okay, but where's the parking garage? Okay, so basically, I found, well, I didn't find it. I've been over here before, but I didn't know that the Waterside District was so close to my destination. And now I'm like, I don't even want to go to my destination.
Proceed to the route.
I'm gonna go to the Waterside District. Waterside District. The ooh, it's so bumpy. The Waterside District, they have,
at the lights, turn left onto St. Paul's Boulevard, then turn left onto East City Hall Avenue.
Okay, but where is the parking garage? Where is the parking garage? Okay, where, wait, I don't know what you said. Okay, turn. Okay, wait, I'm turning it off. Okay, so I didn't miss the exit, but I couldn't take that as exit because I felt like it was just too much water for my car to drive through. So I, you know, just did a little loop-de-loop. But I guess I didn't turn on at the right place because I just came here yesterday and did the same thing, but it looks different. Like, it didn't take me to the Waterside District. But I'm 1 minute away, so it says. And yeah, I'm excited to make some waist beads. And let's just get into my face though, like my concealer and this little Fenty bronzer doing your girl right. Say hi, Layla. Hi. Say hi. No. Okay, anyway. So right now I'm just picking out the beads I'm gonna use for my waist beads. And she's teaching me how to do waist beads. So shout out to her. She also made this hair charm that I'm gonna try to put in my hair.
Oh, I got it. I can put it in for you.
See?
The lock charm. Okay.
See, and that's what's gonna happen.
No!
These are the beads that I chose. I was gonna originally do the small ones, but that'll take forever in a day. And I like these ones better, so. Now I'm beading the waist beads and I'm excited. Look at the beads I got. Back again, and this is not the finals, but this is what it's looking like so far. And I'm gonna go in with these natural beads for the rest of it, and yeah.
I keep trying to buy them, but she keeps telling me I can't keep buying these.
I finished my waist beads. So cute. Thanks.
If you need anything or like ask where it is, you can just help.
So far. Super cute. So y'all, I just took a detox shot from this little stand in the mall, and whew, plenty. But I'm waiting on this mango nata drink, and I also I just got some Auntie Amy's pretzels, and I bought this mask from the shop too. So cute. I just spent freaking $20 at this little shop, and all I was supposed to come here to get was a drink, but the drink was $9 alone. So y'all, it's literally always $1 to park in the parking garage. So I already had my dollar ready. He was like, yeah, $1, and I thought he was playing. He was like, nah, $7 for you. So I was like, stop playing, man. Like, what you talking about, $7? I'm parking here all the time. He was like, cause you was here from 12 to, I was like, first of all, I work in there. He was like, yeah, that's why it's high for you. I said, well, I'm gonna have to stop coming here. He said, dang, you have to stop coming to work? Yep, because I'm not paying no $5. I'm not paying no $5. Got me messed all the way up. Update, this drink is really good. So good. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell y'all that, because that had me shocked. I was like, you got the wrong sister. We'll open that daggone gate. Look at my sister bought her TV out here. So I'm at my cousin's place, and I just got canes for the first time. I'm excited. So I'm gonna taste test that. But first, I'm just gonna wash my hands. So we got the 3-finger combo. Not bad at all.